Hello everyone! Welcome to Open English class. Today we are going to learn vocabulary about common problems. Listen, repeat, and practice with me. Let's begin.
This is a headache. Repeat. Headache. Example. I have a headache. Repeat. I have a headache. This is a stomachache. Repeat. Stomachache. Example. I have a stomachache. Repeat. Is a toothache. Repeat. Toothache. Example. I have a toothache. This is a backache. Repeat. Backache. Example. I have a backache. This is an earache. Repeat. Earache. Example. I have an earache. This is a cold. Repeat. Cold. Example. I have a cold. This is the flu. Repeat. Flu. Example. I have the flu. This is a fever. Repeat. Fever. Example. I have a fever. This is a cough. Repeat. Cough. Example. I have a cough. This is a sore throat. Repeat. Sore throat. Example. I have a sore throat. This is a runny nose. Repeat. Runny nose. Example. I have a runny nose. This is sneezing. Repeat. Sneezing. Example. I am sneezing. This means tired. Repeat. Tired. Example. I am tired. This means weak. Repeat. Weak. Example. I feel weak. This means dizzy. Repeat. Dizzy. Example. I feel dizzy. Final review common problems. Listen and repeat. Headache. I have a headache. Stomachache. I have a stomach ache. Toothache. I have a toothache. Backache. I have a backache. Earache. I have an earache. Cold. I have a cold. Flu. I have the flu. Fever. I have a fever. Cough. I have a cough. Sore throat. I have a sore throat. Runny nose. I have a runny nose. Sneezing. I am sneezing. Tired. I am tired. Weak. I feel weak. Dizzy. I feel dizzy. Before we finish, close your eyes for a second. Think about this. Today you know more English than yesterday. That means you are improving. Keep practicing. Keep speaking. Don't be afraid of mistakes. See you next class.